Welcome everyone! Today we're going to make some marshmallow pops. This tutorial is simple and fun and great for kids. It's also very easy and affordable. You just need marshmallows, some chocolate melt, styrofoam, and the little sticks. And they're great because they can be made gluten-free. They're all gluten-free. Sprinkles are gluten-free. And the chocolate's gluten-free, and you can also buy vegan version marshmallows.
What is vegan?
And then dip them in like
no animal product.
Go away,
go to other restaurant. Go eat your lettuce there. Vegan don't know how to enjoy life. Hiya. Vegetable tastes like sad anyway. Don't eat vegetable.
So you can do these in gluten-free or vegan-free versions. It's like a great crowd pleaser. You're gonna need campfire s'mores. These are like these jumbo marshmallows. They're like amazing to use, and you're just gonna line them up on a plate. You're gonna also have, I'm picking chocolate melt because this will taste really good just with marshmallows, just because they kind of taste like a s'more. All right, and I have this kind of Merkin's high quality cocoa chocolate melts that are actually made with real cocoa. I want to get these in a non-reactive microwavable time. Best thing for cake pops, for melting the chocolate with a cake pop. Yay! All right, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna heat up my chocolate and I'm gonna get with dipping. Nice smoothness till all the chunkiness comes out. All right, so we're gonna get these dipped into the marshmallow pops. I always get a paper plate to catch all my sprinkles in front of me. All right. And you're just gonna wanna insert the pops into a stick like this so there's chocolate on the end to keep it all nice. This one's probably more set. We're gonna dip another one, and these are just so quick and easy to make, and the kids just love them. The kids love them. Oh, chocolate's dripping down. It's just because it's so warm. Summer. All right, take some sprinkles, sprinkle on top. Use the plate to catch your sprinkles. Lots of fun. Alright, and here you go, marshmallow pop. So popular and easy to make for your kids for any occasion, birthdays. Alright, now you just let them set, and you get clear cellophane bags, and you wrap them and twist tie them. Looks like they're all dry. We're going to wrap a couple. I'm going to show you. We're going to use these 4x6 cellophane bags. You can get these at Michael's, Joann Fabrics, Walmart, anywhere. And you're going to take the bag, you're going to take some twist ties. I have blue or red. They're both very fun for birthdays or soccer sports teams, anything fun like that. You're going to take your cake pop and you're going to pop it right into this bag. There we go. Take the twist tie. I like to do this trick. It's kind of like a cool rotating trick. You just hold this, pinch this part of the twist tie, and literally you rotate. And there you go. You've got a jumbo marshmallow pop wrapped for the fun kids to give out for birthday favors, treats. The kids have baseball and soccer and they love getting these. They're just so fun. The trick is how to get these jumbo things into the bag. You always kind of have to make a tunnel with it. I can wrap these super fast. It's crazy. Rotate like that, and oh, fun little cake pops. Jumbo marshmallow pops for the win.